Gaurav joining us live now for the very latest on this. Gaurav, we do know that amidst the standoff that we're seeing in Ladakh, where India has lost 20 brave hearts, our politicians in India are busy exchanging barbs. Congress and the BJP standing off and facing off with each other in a very rather shrill manners from what you just saw.
You know, that's par for the course in a democracy where the opposition continues to target the government. When BJP was in opposition, BJP targeted the government on Chinese transgressions and incursions. But none that was at this level, the transgressions by the Chinese, where we've lost 20 soldiers. Remember, the last time India lost soldiers at the line of actual control was in 1975 in Lukungla in Arunachal Pradesh. And before that, of course, 1967, when we lost about 75 of our own and Chinese lost 400 at Nathula. This time, the situation all along the line of actual control, all the way from Arunachal Pradesh to Ladakh, is extremely grim. And it would have been better if both the government and the opposition were on the same page in taking on the Chinese. You know, politics can happen subsequently, but you know, since we're a democracy, that's par for the course. That's point one. Point two, as far as the armed forces are concerned, I've been interacting with a number of officers and Jawans on ground, and they say that they have the wherewithal to ensure that the Chinese are sent back on the other side of the line of actual control like they were in Galwan, even at the disputed point between Finger 4 and Finger 8 at Pangong Tso.
Absolutely. Gaurav Sawant reporting from Leh, getting us a perspective on the standoff that we're seeing between the BJP and Congress party on the back of the brawl that we're seeing in Galwan Valley.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.